Hi everybody, we're going to make something nice for Christmas today. This is a nice display in the window or on the table. It's a Christmas cracker of a special type. It's a floral arrangement. So what you need is a juice carton or a milk carton, and this one here I have cut a rectangle out of the side. I used a knife just to make a hole and then the scissors to go around it, and I've made it to fit this piece of oasis, which is quite heavy and wet because it's been soaking overnight, and that will fit into that later on. So now the next thing we're going to do is going to turn this upside down, and I have some Christmas wrapping paper here. I'm going to put this around it. Make sure it's in the center. Bit of tape. Yes, thank you. That's great. Now, Sheila, I'm going to give you a couple of ribbons.
Okay.
I'm going to scrunch up the sides, and if you tie the ribbon
I will.
around it. Hopefully I'm going to turn it the right way up again. Now, that's it.
Grand. And we will put a nice bow on it. Just once around, Maria?
Yeah, once around, yeah, that should do it. And a little bow. That's great.
Now,
do the other side.
okay.
Perfect.
Now,
the next thing is we have to find that hole that we had. I can
Okay.
just feel it underneath here. So I get my scissors, just make a hole in the center, and then go out to the corners. You kind of feel where they are. This is not going to show later on anyway, so you don't have to be super perfect doing it. Just go out to each corner, and you can fold it in like that. And I'll give you the.
That's fine,
You're going
yeah.
to use them, I think. Now get my piece of oasis and push it in to the hole, and it should be sticking up a little bit. Now you will be able to water this later on, just carefully pour water into it and it'll be held inside. Now we're going to decorate this.
okay.
I got branches, little twigs from the garden, nice Christmassy ones, there's coniferous ones there. So to start, maybe we'll get a couple of long pieces for the ends. Have you got a couple of long ones
Okay,
there?
so we'll use that one and that
Yeah.
one.
And I'll put those two in, and I'll just tell you what we're going to do then. Turn it that way around, maybe. So that's one either end, and now we're going to build it round that way and round that way with a similar type of coniferous stuff, but the side ones need to be shorter.
All
So
right.
you're making a kind of an oblong arrangement. So have you got-
There's a couple of
yeah,
small.
I might use these ones first, but
That's
just
the
for
longer
the
ones.
sides,
Okay.
slightly longer there. A couple more. And then we're going to shorter. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So I'll just keep cutting a few of these for you.
Yeah. Thank you. Great.
Let's give you this one.
That's okay. And go around the back a little bit. Put that one in there.
That one might
Thank you.
fit in.
Nice branchy one.
Do you need much more?
And I think about two, maybe even one would do it.
Try that one.
Yeah, and one more.
And one more. Okay. Ah,
I think that's it.
That's
Did we
enough?
miss anywhere? Does it seem bare anywhere?
that seems to be okay there.
Okay, now just put that to one side for a minute. We're going to put a candle in the center of it, but obviously it won't just stand up by itself, so I'll show you a way of getting it to stand. These are cocktail sticks that I've cut slightly less than half, or slightly more than half, I should say. Got some Scotch tape. I'm going to place them on it, a little bit apart. we should do it. And then turn them around and tape them. There's one of them I've just fallen off already. We'll get it back on in a minute. Tape them around the bottom of the candle. I'm really not going to play ball. I have another piece of tape and just go put it on just to be sure that this sticks. I have one here.
Have you got one?
Yeah. Just make it a double.
To be sure.
To be sure. Okay, so that's it. We get this one back. And just press it down. It looks like a rocket.
It's going to take off.
Press it down in the centre. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Now we're going to put a little bit more foliage around here.
Okay.
I think this stuff, the hebe, might be nice.
Do we need small bits or do you want them?
Quite small, yeah, like that type of height.
That type, okay.
If I get the other scissors there, I can do one or two.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'll just leave them there for you, Maria.
Yeah, right. We'll try that. That should be it. That one in there. Now, I have a few little bits to decorate. You can wire ordinary cones, pine cones, just thin wire and round the base and just to make a stem like that. You can put these in. These were already bought. It's nice. Put one there. One there. What else have I got? I've got little mushrooms. Red and white mushrooms.
The red is nice too for Christmas.
We put 3 of them in. 3 is a good number when you're making an arrangement. That's cute, isn't it? We've got the little red baubles, put them around this side. And that's nearly enough. I don't like to overdo it. Maybe
that's nice. So
this is a little pot over there, Sheila.
Okay.
This is a miniature ceramic pot with 3 mushrooms in it. If you had space, I don't think there's space on mine, but if you had space on it, it would be a nice thing to put on it or even beside it. And there's a bow as well that we made over there. Might be something else that you might.
Sorry, Maria, the pin there.
That's okay. That you might like to put on your arrangement. But I think this looks good as it is. But you could put anything that you like on yours.
And when it's lighting, it'll be lovely.
It will. And if you don't want a live candle, depending on the situation, you can get battery-powered candles.
And they will work equally as well.
They work just as well.
Yeah.
So there you are. Thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye now.